If hindi mo pa alam paano gamitin yung mga sunstick, this video is for you. Sunsticks are best for reapplication. You can use it before or even after your makeup. Before applying it on your face, punasan mo muna ng tissue yung ibabaw niya. You can adjust it here sa roll. Since nag-apply ako ng cream 4 hours ago, punasan muna natin para mawala yung konting oil sa face natin. So, gaano kadami yung ilagay natin with this sunstick? Sabi 4 times mo daw i-rub on the same area yung product. Ayan, ang galing. Nawala yung oil guys sa face ko. And hindi siya malagkit, hindi rin po siya mainit. Matte finish. And kahit may cream ka, hindi siya nasisira or makeup sa face ninyo. This Pax Molly Dr. Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid Sunstick has triple functionality. Brightening siya, anti-aging, and strong UV protection. SPF 50+, PA+,